When I was a junior analyst, I delivered 40 slides packed with data to my director. At the end, he smiled politely and asked, "So, what's the story?" That day I realized data alone doesn't move people. Story does. And that realization changed my career. Every professional has been in a meeting like this, drowning in bullet points. But what people remember is not the numbers. It's the story behind them. Now, I've spent over a decade helping professionals bring their ideas to life with story. But let me reassure you, you don't have to be Shakespeare. You don't even have to be funny. Though we'll try. If you can explain why your dog ate your homework, you're already telling stories. Storytelling is not just for authors or actors, it's for managers, salespeople, teachers, and anyone who needs to persuade. You might be thinking, I'm not a storyteller, but the truth is, you already are. Every time you explain your weekend or convince your team to try a new tool, you're using story. You don't need to start from scratch. You're not a beginner. You're already in motion. Let's make it simple. Every professional story has three parts. The hook, grab attention. The point, what's at stake? The action, what you want people to do. This is your professional storytelling skeleton. We'll flesh it out together. And here's something important. You don't need to aim for a TED Talk. Making your Monday update more engaging is already a win. There's no fail state in storytelling. Storytelling works at every scale. Even small improvements create big impact. Most professionals never learn this. They overload colleagues with facts. But the few who use story, they stand out. They're remembered. They lead. You don't need to be world-class to be effective. Even small steps put you ahead of 80% of your peers. You've probably sat in a meeting where someone reads slides like they're narrating a phone book. Don't be that person. A little humor, a little story, and suddenly people are awake. Here's your first challenge. Think of a time when a story persuaded you at work. It could be a manager motivating you, a colleague pitching lunch, or even a client. Got it? Share it with your group. Storytelling grows stronger in community. Learning from others shows you what works and what sticks. Now imagine yourself a month from today. You're leading a meeting. People are nodding, engaged, maybe even laughing. And when the meeting ends, they repeat your story to others. That's influence. That's storytelling. Every professional can build this skill, including you. And it's not just about work. Storytelling connects us in life, with our families, friends, and communities. It makes people want to listen. Storytelling enriches both careers and relationships. So here's your first assignment. Write a 2-minute story about a challenge at work and how you or your team solved it. Don't worry about being perfect. Just get the story down. Next session, we'll workshop them together. Remember, people forget bullet points, but they never forget a good story.